Having touchscreen problems on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? In this quick 2026 guide, learn how to fix an unresponsive or frozen touchscreen easily. Start by force restarting your phone. Press and hold the volume down and power side buttons together for 10-15 seconds until the Samsung logo appears. This can fix temporary software glitches. Next, remove any screen protector or phone case, as some third-party accessories may affect touch sensitivity. Then clean the screen with a dry microfiber cloth to remove dust, oil, or moisture. You should also check for software updates by going to Settings, Software Update. These simple troubleshooting steps can help restore normal touch response on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Samsung and Android tips. See you in the next video.